So, why should we hire you? What makes you different from the other job applicants? Why do you think you're the best fit for this role? Well, you should hire me because I have just completed my graduation and I'm so excited to join your company because a lot of my friends are working here and it will be a good place to hang out with them and have coffee with them. And I live nearby this place, so it will be very easy for me to come to the company every day. And I've heard that your company offers a good bonus every year. Isn't that amazing? It also offers a lot of overseas trainings, I've heard. And I'm really excited to join you because I know this is a perfect company for me. Well, we know you mean all these statements honestly and genuinely. But you don't have to confess and you don't have to tell these things to the interviewer or the hiring manager because he or she or they may not like it. Hello, friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most popular and important interview questions, and that is why should we hire you? It is one of the most important make or break interview questions because it is generally asked towards the end of the interview. It gives you an opportunity to present your last professional pitch. It gives you an opportunity to speak out. It gives you an opportunity to shine. And it gives you an opportunity to stand out amongst other applicants. And if you like my video, please hit the big fat like button because it definitely motivates me to make more career related videos for all of you. And if you have not watched my last video on how to answer the popular interview question, tell me about yourself, hit the link mentioned above. So as always, I respect your time and without any further ado, let's go to the agenda. Number one, how and why the interviewers ask this question. Number two, the perfect formula or the distinguisher strategy to answer this question. And number three, sample answers for both professionals and freshers. And towards the end of the video, definitely as always, I will present a bonus tip for all of you, which will meticulously help you to craft a perfect answer to this important question. So do keep watching. So coming to the first point of our agenda, how the interviewers ask this question differently. Let's see. What makes you the best candidate for this position? What unique strengths you have that we should hire you? Why are you a good fit for this role? Why do you want to work for us? How can our company and our team benefit from you? We have 100 other applicants. And why do you think you should be picked for this job? So these are the various ways in which the interviewers may ask you this question. Now coming to the second part of the question, why do interviewers ask this question? Interviewers ask this question for three key reasons. Number one, the hiring manager, the recruiter and the interviewer, they are not just looking for someone who is a fit for the role. They are looking for someone above and beyond. They're looking for someone who has a strong belief in himself, who's passionate, who's enthusiastic, who has a lot of interest and who reflects the drive and enthusiasm to own this position. They always look for someone who is a perfect blend of the technical skills, the analytical skills, and the behavioral skills. Very important. Number two, they are looking for what value in terms of your strengths, achievements, and education you will bring to the company, to the team, and the role you will be playing. So they are looking for your best professional offering. And number three, they want to test your understanding on the job role and its challenges. Well, they want to test if you have done some homework, if you have researched about the company, its mission and vision, its nature of business, its revenue generation, etc. Will you be able to fulfill the challenges or fulfill the requirements that the job demands? That is what they want to see. So, if you are able to relate to this information and you are finding it useful for your career, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell notification icon because it will definitely update you on a weekly basis whenever I'm uploading my videos. So now I come to the most important point of our agenda, that is, what is that perfect formula or the distinguisher strategy to answer this question? So I have here the 4-point formula which will guide you to craft a perfect sample answer for this question. And here we go. So point number one is research the role. By this I mean that research about the company and study the job description thoroughly to demonstrate your understanding. Here you need to know about the mission and vision of the company, its history, its growth, and its nature of business, and you can figure out a few outstanding things which you really liked about the company. After doing this, try to make a connect. What do you like most about the company? If given an opportunity, how will you add value to the company? And how do you see yourself growing in the company? Then you have to really focus how your skills overlap or match with the job requirements. At least ideally, 75% of your skills should match with the job requirements for you to be the perfect fit. And be honest, try to find the commonalities between your skill sets, education, and experience, and what is the job requirement as listed in the job description. Number two, highlight your proven impact. By this, I mean that you need to highlight your strengths, your achievements, and your accomplishments in your previous job experience. And this you will do effectively through your mini success stories. So, what's the best formula to do it? Put a strong verb plus work example with supporting details plus positive outcome with quantified results, and make sure to align it with the job description. Be as specific as possible and demonstrate your proven impact by basically quantifying. The third important point is show your interest. And by this, I mean that tell them, convince them that you are really interested to take up this job opportunity. There's a difference basically in being able to do something and really wanting to do something. So, if you're really passionate and enthusiastic about this job opportunity, you need to convince and you need to convey it to the panel. The point number four, which is my personal favorite, communicate with confidence. And with this, I mean that speak confidently that why you are qualified for this job role. And for this, you apply the famous communication formula of 7, 38, 55 rule, which means that during the whole communication process, the impact of your words is 7%, the impact of your tone of voice is 38%, and your body language accounts for almost 55%. So, your body language, your facial expressions, and your tone of voice should convey confidence and commitment. This is one of the most critical points that will make you stand out in this distinguisher strategy. Actually, what you had been doing in the first three steps of answering this question, you had been trying to make a connect between yourself, the job role, and the company. And the interviewer must have been really satisfied with it. Now, this fourth step gives you an opportunity to sell yourself with the impact. And then do it with a lot of confidence, because what happens when you show and exuberate confidence, it builds trust. When you generate that trust, interviewers really like it because they want to be surrounded with trustworthy people and they will be able to immediately connect with you. And this trust and confidence can be built so easily. It all depends upon you how you convey it through your body language. So you have to dress very professionally, maintain eye contact, smile while you're answering this question. Maintain a good body posture. Your shoulders should be upright. Keep your hands and legs steady. And don't fidget with the things. Speak clearly, sound enthusiastic, positive, and motivated. Impress them with your positive attitude. Give honest answers. This is very important. Show that spark. Show the fire in your belly. Show that you are as hungry as a shark. Show that you are so passionate to add value if given an opportunity. And at the same time, learn and grow in the company. And here we come to the third part of our agenda, the sample answers for professionals and freshers. So here is a sample answer for an experienced professional going to be interviewed as data analyst. And here it goes. Why should we hire you? I'm glad you asked me this question. Based on the job description, I understand that you need an experienced data analyst for your new setup, primarily for commissioning and decommissioning of data sets, and supporting the data warehouse in identifying and revising reporting requirements. And that's the core strength of mine. In my previous job, I was the first data analyst hired into the department and set up our entire data analysis process from scratch. While collaborating with other business, we ended up using our internal data to save 27% on advertising costs within the same financial year. I am solution-oriented, diligent, and conscientious professional, which has earned me the reputation of never missing a deadline. I believe these are the imperative skills for this job as explained by you. Due to my passion in statistics, I invested into various certifications, and as a result, I also trained my colleagues in statistical packages like Excel, SPSS, SAS to be used for dataset analyzing. So I believe this role has a lot of similarities to what I have done in my previous roles. That's why you should hire me for this position. It's not only my background, but also my skills and my passion that will beautifully fit into your company culture and definitely the team. And here I have a sample answer for a fresher or an entry point employee that will definitely wow the interviewer. As a recent management graduate with a CGPA of 8.7, I know what I am lacking is a career experience. However, the qualifications that I bring cannot be measured by traditional experience. After doing internship in 3 different organizations and managing a full course load with a job at the university's admission office, I learned how to multitask and prioritize responsibilities with minimal supervision. In your fast paced organization, the ability to effectively prioritize is a significant component of success. I'm really excited to add value to your company by putting my knowledge to practice. It's not just my academic credentials, but also my passion for this industry that drives me to succeed. If given an opportunity to work, I will definitely prove to be an asset to the organization. So these were the 3 critical points of our agenda to frame a perfect answer to the question, why should we hire you? So here's the bonus tip for all of you. Use power verbs when you are framing an answer to this question. So instead of those old traditional words, use these words and phrases that will give more power to your answer. So I'm sure you must have liked today's video. Please do share it with your family and friends who may need it, because we are all together in this education journey. And it's really so good to connect with like-minded people like you. And do subscribe to my channel, because it's a big indicator for me to know that yes, you're liking my content and I should create more and more career-related videos for all of you. Take care, keep smiling, and I will see you soon in my next video. Ciao!